with us? Yeah! So we did not plan this.
No?
We happened to just pick Ella and Loki to wear.
That's funny.
The rest of the day. We did not plan.
And I'm just Star Warsing, as usual. And I forgot my magic band, so I need to buy a new one. Check out these Pop Century hoodies. This is new to me.
Oh, hello? Hello?
The magic is calling?
The magic is calling.
We answered it. This one's got my name all over it. Oh, I stand corrected. I think I'm getting this one. This is the way. Maria, I think I found my magic band.
Oh. Ooh, that's a good one. This is the way you should get it, man.
Yep. It's a nice shirt right here. It's got the partner statue and Cinderella Castle. I got Bib Fortuna.
You got what?
I got Bib Fortuna and Bib for salmon. Bath toys.
Yeah, the bath toys. They're so cute.
It looks like Pee Wee Herman.
Because of the nose?
Yeah, it's an air conditioner.
Lovely. I like that. First treat of the trip on mobile order. A little 50th macaron. And I think it's lemon blueberry. Cheers to the 50th. Lemon blueberry. It's good.
Alright, our room number is available. We're in the 60s, man.
We're in the 60s, man. I can't believe we got this building. I had requested either the 50s or 70s because that's the choices that we had at the time. But we're right by the main hall, which is great.
Yeah, what's great about being in the 60s building, we are very close to the main hall here, which has access to the buses, and not too far away from the Skyliner, which we'll be using twice on this trip.
5115.
Blue! That's our room, and right over here is a lake, number one, but right over here, I think that's the way to the Skyliner. Yeah, it is. The Skyliner station is right over there. New band, activated.
Activated, let's test it out, do the honors. There you go.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then Sherry's bed is hidden in there.
Yeah.
The Murphy bed. And we got our usual Mickey over the bed. That's our room with a nice wide angle. A few steps back,
I guess they're still working on it.
we have the closet. Here's our view of the lake.
Yeah, we got a nice view, man. This is
And
great.
Art of Animation on the other side there. And not too far away from the window, we have a little coffee machine.
maker.
We have a 50th.
At the 50th anniversary blend.
It's like a dark roast.
Yeah.
We had this at home. It's good.
Yeah, they give you
I
cups and all
do
stuff.
enjoy the artisan regular.
We have cups, ice bucket there. Nice size fridge down here.
For your leftovers.
For your leftovers from Disney Springs. Plenty of storage, safes in here, extra pillow there. I guess that's probably for that bed.
Sure.
Fancy bathroom. We got my H2O. Oh yeah! I purposely did not pack any shampoo or anything because I know they have all of these here.
Pro tip.
Because they are great. So yeah, if you're staying here, you know, for a couple of days, you know, just if you like their products, which I do, H2O.
Most people do.
Yeah, so I didn't pack my own shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. Oh, the face soap.
Face soap.
That one's good too.
Tissues, because 'tis the sneezing. It's spring and I just took a Zyrtec.
Hair dryer and iron. Ironing boards on the wall. Got extra tissues and teepee. I love that they have the makeup mirrors here too. These are very handy.
Boys are back in town.
Boards are back in town.
Thursday, March 24th, 12:50 p.m. It's been a long day. We've been up since 3:30 in the morning. We're resting right now in our room here at Pop Century. I think it's like 1 p.m. But we just, on our mobile devices, we just booked the RIP experience for Halloween Horror Nights in Universal Studios this fall. So.
And then on Saturday, I have to start booking dining reservations for Disneyland,
California.
California, because the 60-day out mark starts for us Saturday.
Planning the future adventures right here as
While
with you.
while we're having
While we're having
current
adventures.
adventures.
I'm gonna greet everybody that walks by as we leave. to go to Springs. Morimoto will be eating dinner there later. First time. Here's your Gideon's cookie line, Ree.
He said 25 to 30 minutes. There's no virtual queue right now. Some days it depends how busy it is. This is the monthly card. They have a different one every month because they have a different featured cookie every month. So this is poor Morning Joe had no place left to go. And the cookie is a chocolate coffee toffee. I just want to try the cookies.
I just need something cold.
Something cold and a peanut butter cold brew. That's happening.
I don't do sweets, but they do.
Alright, so first off, we're trying this. This is their peanut butter cold brew. They make this all the time. Holy cow.
I don't know how they do it.
That's delicious. You have to like peanut butter to get this. You definitely still taste coffee. It still has the coffee taste to it, but the peanut butter is definitely there, no doubt. Oh boy. Woo. First of all, this thing is
heavy.
She dense. Look at that. There's little grains of salt on top too. Same with this is the peanut butter one over here too, by the way. This is the peanut butter crunch. Also grains of salt sprinkled on top.
But this is the regular chocolate chip.
This is their OG. This is what they're known for. Cheers.
Cookie cheers.
Cookie cheers. Oh my god.
Wow. Has that nice like not fully baked consistency.
It's soft. It's very soft. The flavor of the cookie is really good too, and all that salt on top. The salt on top really helps too. This is another one of their standards that they make all the time. This is the peanut butter crunch. So there are peanut butter chips, I guess, and I think there's like little pieces of peanut as well. Holy moly, that's peanut butter. You know those like old-fashioned like peanut butter cookies that like you would bake at home with the fork thing in it. You know, with the fork marks, you know what I mean? It's like that, but like elevated to the top.
This is Dasani purified water. It's wet. Hawkeye hoodie?
Hawkeye hoodie. $54.99.
Wow, it's a bargain. Speak of the devil. Got a whole Hawkeye. We enjoyed that show. That was good. Morris, where's your face? Shirt I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Is that medium?
It's a medium,
Oh,
yeah.
sold. Also, Chewbacca. Things that try to eat Luke Skywalker.
Asher.
This is the best right here, the Ewok. Star Wars to Disney style.
One of my favorites.
Robin Hood.
Oodalale, what a day.
Like a
I
raincoat?
have to look in World of Disney too, because I really
$60.
wanted to get one of the rain jackets.
Doctor Strange. Directed by Sam Raimi. Coming soon. Bit of a hike when you take the ramp, but it's a good warm-up for the parks we're going to.
Yeah.
20,000 steps a day.
Stretch your legs out.
Stretch the legs. Got myself 2 Topo Chico mineral waters because I'm thirsty and I don't want to wait on the line again for a second. And I think it's raining. It's raining!
It is raining.
It's raining!
And it's gone.
Okay. Oh, now it's over? Should we go back to our primo spot?
I don't know. It looks like there are like little short bursts that keep coming, so we might want to stay right here.
Cheers. Happy vacation. There's the storm coming, Annie. All right, it is raining. Gonna get dry in here.
Look at the back. You, Minnie.
Yep, that's them.
Yeah. Those are nice.
Those are my couple welded
Oh, you got those, Sherry?
Not yet.
Pretzel ears?
Yeah, these are brand new. I like they make these other ones now, like
Oh yeah.
with the headband type.
Ariel now. Jasmine. Oh, look at that.
That's so cute.
That is awesome. You're gonna get that one, Ree?
I might
Yeah.
get Donald that one too.
I think on the day we go to Epcot, I think I'll put Mickey in his Spirit jersey.
There's the new Emo clothes rack.
Clothes rack. I need one of these, but I'll order on Shop Disney. When I worked at Disney Store back when Hercules came out, they had something very similar to this in like a plastic sippy cup.
Slinky Dog will see you on Sunday.
I don't remember what size I got.
30 bucks.
Yeah. Now while you're here, you can do mobile checkout.
Or you could just wait online for a couple hours.
Wait online.
That Spirit jersey is 85.
Yep.
It's got the castle and then Walt Disney World written on the back. I kind of like that one.
Monorail.
And they use all the attractions to spell Disney. And of course, you got the Millennium Falcon, Batu,
Falcon.
the monorail. Oh, Everest. This one is $36.99. I wonder how much the Starbucks cup is. You're getting this backpack?
Yeah, I think so. I really like this one.
Sherry is torn between two ears.
I love the purple. As much as I like this, I think I still like
Yeah,
this
that
one
pops.
better.
This is really colorful. Oh my god, I love him.
It's Hipster Mickey.
He's like hipster Mickey.
Super cute.
How much is that one?
$34.99.
The Star Wars.
Oh yeah, she did.
Just keep sipping.
Grogu is everywhere. Oh, that's new.
That one's cute. This is the...
Yeah, I was looking at that over there.
It's so cute.
It's so simple, but
Yeah.
effective.
The Grogu Lash.
Also around 80 bucks. That's usually their average
Yeah.
price. Death Star Light leggings. Here's the trading post. Most of what you find in here can also be found at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Look at that. So these ponchos are about $100. That's pretty good for the quality.
This thing's heavy, man. This will weigh down luggage like an extra 2
Nope, not this time. Not that we make popcorn, but we could use it for something else. This is very much like Han Solo's outfit in Return of the Jedi. The vest is a little bit different than A New Hope. There's no slit pocket here. And the shirt is a little beige. $50. The vest is also 50, so together it's about 100 bucks. Oh wow, that's really well done. They have the back piece as well. Nicely done. The robes are about $130, but it's decent quality. Here's Figuring Dan's instrument, 30 bucks. I think it's functional. Like a bantha. How much of a bantha? Should put the Boba Fett doll on the bantha.
$39.99.
That's a lot of banthas. Tauntaun. Wampa, what are you doing down there? Let me help you. Oh, don't go to. I almost put him with the Tauntauns. That was a bad idea.
Daisy?
You making a pin?
You're gonna get it.
Daisy?
Ooh, these are nice.
Ooh.
There's the back.
Oh yeah, the back's got Mickey.
Mickey.
Oh, okay, so Mickey's the tail.
Yeah.
Very nice and shiny.
Yeah.
Nice.
Japan.
Terror.
Yeah. Indie pin, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Morimoto Asia. Dinner. This is a bowl of egg drop soup. It's got some blue crab in there, which is what sold me. Maria and Sherry got the pork egg roll appetizer.
This is the lychee martini.
Cheers. Thank you so much.
Look at that.
The Mongolian filet mignon, no sauce. Cauliflower rice?
This is the duck ramen.
Ooh.
It's got scallions and it's noodles, fresh duck, and an egg.
Looks good. And that's still sizzling. And Sherry has a cauliflower dish, and here we go. And we're back after a very, 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 very long day.
Very long day.
It feels like it's midnight, but it's like 8:30
It's the
p.m.
third day.
It's 8:48.
So we're gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of us traveling and going to Disney Springs, checking into Pop Century Resort. The next video we put up is going to be Magic Kingdom. And that might be a two-parter because we're going open to close, and it closes late. So.
And we'll be eating at
Steakhouse
71.
71.
We'll see you real soon, and may the geekends be with you.